Hey guys, if you are having trouble navigating through the interface of the Bybit exchange app, all right, this video is going to guide you through on how you can uh, navigate through or understand what is actually happening in the interface of your app. Okay, so as you can see, the moment you log into your app, this is the first face you will be seeing. All right, this is the home page you will be seeing. So as you can see beneath the down here, you can see a number of buttons. All right, below here you can see some numbers of buttons down here. Okay, so I will be showing you guys what these buttons are doing, and also I will also want you to pay attention close to other buttons that will be navigating through at the top here. All right, so just pay close attention. So first we are going to be looking into this very button here. This is the home page that we have now. All right, on the home page, this is where you can navigate to anywhere you want to go on your app. Like you want to use the P2P, you want to use crypto loan, like all these buttons you are seeing, the P2P, the crypto loan, the launchpad, reward hub, and other more features. All right. Then you can also see some other buttons here, some other buttons here like favorite crypto you are trading, or you are looking into the hot ones, the ones that are really trading, people are buying and selling, the new ones that have been listed newly, the one that has the highest gain so far in 24 hours, the one that is losing so far in 24 hours, and others, other one, Tony, and all of that. So you'll be seeing them here. Turnover. All right, then there's another, this other two buttons you are seeing here. You can see this is where you can this is where you can navigate through which of the market you want to work with, whether sport or derivative. Okay, so that's for this very place. Okay, now the next button you are going to be seeing, which is the market. All right, just as the name implies, this is the market. This is where you can see all cryptocurrency that are trading. All right, that people are trading, people are buying, people are selling. All right, so this is the part I told you guys that pay attention to the buttons we are going to be looking into up here. Okay, all these buttons, all these buttons I showed you from the home button just now. This all these features was there on the home button. All right, so you can see the favorite, you see the alt at the top, you see the alt, you see the new gain and turnover, options, and the rest. All right, now these are the three type of markets that are there on crypto, on the crypto space. Okay, these are the three markets, types of markets that are there on the crypto space. All right, so you have spot trading market, you have future trading market, and then you have option trading market. All right, so we are not going to be talking about options. We are going to be dealing with uh, spot trading and futures trading for now. All right, spot trading and future trading, I mean, the purpose of this video is because we are trading futures. All right, so that is why I'm doing this video. That's what we do on our academy. So the sport is going to be an informative kind of trade. All right, so when there's an opportunity to buy a particular cryptocurrency and hold it for a while, they will be giving this information via sport. Okay, so now this is what is happening on the whole market space. All right, if you see this button here, it's saying switch to loser. So when you switch this to loser, it will be showing all the coins that are showing red. In other words, the coins that are down in the 24 hours. As you can see, there is time. This is the time for you to know uh what time are we talking about. You can see in the past 24 hours, this is their price, and this is their trading pairs. All right, so all this plays, sorry, The whole of these things you are seeing here are trading pairs, and these ones are the price of the pairs, the price of the coin you are buying. And here, this is the gain, the percentage losses or gains that you that the particular coin or market is right now. All right, so you can also switch it back to gain. All right, so here you can navigate through whether sport. Okay, we are on sports now, futures. Okay, and option. So we are not trading option. Okay, we are only trading futures. All right, now that's for the market. Okay, that's for the market. Now from here you can search for any coin. This stop here, you can search for any coin from here. This place, you can search for any coin you want. Maybe you are giving a token to trade, you can just come here and search the name of the token. Okay, a coin, the name of the coin to trade. You just click on this place and click on and type OPUSDT. As you can see, that is the name of the coin. The top one is showing spot. All right, as you can see, it's showing that that top one is the spot trading. Okay, so every other OPUSDT that is below it under the derivative, it shows that is a perpetual trade. These are the futures pairs. Okay, so whenever you are searching a coin, they give you a coin to trade, and the person said is a few, and you are trading futures, make sure that that coin you are searching for is the one on perpetual trading. All right, not spot. Okay, so that is how you know. So when you search a coin, always look the down here. Always look the down here. There is a USDT perpetual. All right, that's the one you will choose. Okay, okay. So um, then the next button we'll see here is trade. All right. Now this is what one of our members, one of our students is having issue. We say she cannot see our trade. She cannot understand what is going on, or she cannot understand the interface. Now you can see a lot of things is happening here. You can from here, as you are seeing now, you still have some buttons at the top. There you see sorry about that. You see convert, you see spot, futures, options, margin, and the rest. All right, so everything we are going to explain it right now. All right, now see this button here, you can switch to see the chart of your trade, and you can see to see how your trade is performing. All right, here is where you see change from whether the amount you want, leverage percentage you want to use, and here is where you change from isolated or cross margin account you want to use. All right, here you can see the available amounts you have to trade, and here you can switch from limit to market, and here you can impute the price of the the price of which you want to buy the coin. Then here you can input the value of the coin you want to buy. Then these buttons here is for you to impute the amount of the token you want to buy. So it's, you can either drag it by percentage. The minimum percentage that you can use this button to drag is 5%. So you want to use 5% of your account, you want to use 10% of your account, 20%, 30% of your account to buy or to trade the coin. Okay, so as you can see, I believe you understand these other ones here, which is the long button and the short button. Long means buy, short means sell. Okay, short means sell. So whenever you place a trade, all right, whenever you place a trade, you have places to. So if you place a trade with limit order, if you place a trade with limit order, so is most likely to be under this place. Is most likely to be under orders. Okay, it's only when your trade has triggered you will be seeing it on option. Okay, you'll be seeing it on option. After your trade trigger, you'll be seeing it option on option. If your trade has not triggered, it will be on order. As you can see, I have three orders here. I have three orders, but there is one option. And because there is one option, that is why you are seeing this particular trade here. That is why you are seeing this particular trade that is counting, or what's it called? You understand? So that. So maybe you log into your account and you kind of you are not seeing this. Maybe you mistakenly click out of it. So you need to understand that if you are in a trade and you are not seeing your trade, all right, you don't understand what is going on. Now these are the place you can navigate. You can come to order. As you can see now, nothing is, you are not seeing anything here. All right, because these orders are here, they have not triggered. These are the ones that have triggered. So you can screw back, you can screw forward, and all of that. So another thing again, so you can, from here you can monitor your trade from here. Okay, you can monitor your trade to see how your trade is doing. To see how your trade is doing. All right, so maybe you are in your market like this, you are in your trade like that, and they give you another signal to say, okay, place a trade like this. The fastest way to search for no need for you to be going back and forth, market, blah blah blah. You just click on the name of the coin at the top there, like this. Just click on the name of this coin. All right, once you click on it, it will take you to market. All right, you click on this place, search for the coin you want to buy. Let's say we are buying mask security. Like I said before, make sure that the coin you are choosing always remain on perpetual. As you can see, my marks, the top marks is showing marks USDT perpetual. So you click on that, you can see it has turned to this market. Now you can trade this market. Here you can put in the price of which you want to sell, which is your entry price. Then put in the value of the this thing. This one you cannot understand this one based as a beginner. All right, so what you just do is stretch to put in the amount of the coin you want to buy. All right, let's say maybe you are buying this at 1.600. All right, so 1.600. So and you want to buy with your maybe 25% of your account. You can see that the order value has increased. But if you don't put that, if you don't put the amount of the coin, the amount you want to buy the coin, order will not show. So you just see you can increase to buy any amount. So here that I'm buying 25% of my account, as you can see, the 25% of my account is showing that the amount I want to buy this coin, see the price here, see the amount I'm spending, see the amount I'm spending to buy this coin now. This $35. All right, so if you can see, if I reduce, just be watching that play, if I reduce the percentage now, this price will be changing back and forth the more as I reduce the percentage. As you can see, if I reduce it to 5% now, to be $6, but that's as low as I can go. Then we can go 100%. You understand? So that is just that. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. All right, see you in the next video, guys. God bless you.